Hello ladies and gentlemen, Splash here. Welcome to an all-new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to look like Anti. Let's get it. This is a makeup tutorial, by the way. Just letting you guys know. So please subscribe. Hit that like button and click the post notification bell. Let's get straight into making you look like me. Hello, so this is how to look like Anti, guys. This is how to look like Anti for Halloween. So if you want to look like Anti for Halloween, Antisepticeye. So I got this. This is for pirates. It's for a series I'm doing, so I figured since I do this kind of thing anyway, I would go ahead and try to show you how to look like Anti. It's not very hard, guys. I don't have green hair dye, but he doesn't have dye his hair green anymore, obviously. So I'm gonna show you how to do this, the cut. It's pretty easy, and also how to get yourself facial hair, because not everybody has facial hair. I do, but I don't have his full goatee, and he also has piercings for Anti. So. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get your little brush wet. Let's do that. Just wet it a little bit, and then get your makeup. And so we're going to do the scratch first. Let me do that. It's very simple. You draw an outline with black. So let me do that. Okay. Just want to run across it, the edge of it, and then make a line with it. Oh, I'm also going to show you how to do the hair, guys. You want to get the darker brown, or whatever you have. You want to edge it out a little bit, and then you just kind of want to mix it in and make it look like it's a scratch, kind of. Don't worry, Jack isn't an expert on this kind of stuff either. Okay, so trust me guys, it will look more realistic than this. Red goes last, I think, so let's get some pink. Smear it in, the whole thing, just smear it in. And then you want to do the red now. The red, you want it to be scattered a little bit at the bottom. Scatter the red a little bit at the bottom, because then it makes it look more realistic. If we want to get a lot of red around like the edge, you don't want it inside of there, because that's like the blackish part. So then you run around it so that it looks like it's a deep wound. And if that's like the only kind of makeup you get, you can make it look realistic by just going down with it. But I have fake blood. See the fake blood, you can get this at Walmart or anywhere. You can get this makeup kit at Walmart right now because it's Halloween time. So let me get this. So I'm gonna take the tube, just run it along. Don't worry about where it goes, just run it. Run it along. Let it fall. This is cut out of the way. Now let's do Sean's goatee. So this is a little bit more difficult. This is if you don't have facial hair, but they have a mustache, but you probably would want more. So you just want to kind of run it down to where you think it would be. And this is like a you want it to match, so you would probably do your facial hair as well. Which, yes, this will look a lot more professional here in a second. Just give me a second, guys. We gotta get the black layer out of the way. There you go, T. There you go. And then obviously he has piercings. Let me get those real right quick. Just fake them if you don't have them. If you do have them, then cool. That's essentially what you do. You just draw a circle. And then after that, the hair. And the hair is the easy part. You just take some hairspray, which I got some Rave. It's not that great, but you know, it's fine. So here's the hair. There we go. So you're just gonna use your hand to kind of form it. Oh, and if I didn't already mention, you want black clothes. You want black shirt, black pants, whatever you can muster. And you take the black of it. Make sure it's black. You're gonna want that. Run your hands through the hairspray. And then you pretty much have an anti. There you go, that's how you make yourself look like Sean's anti. If you want to go the full 9 yards, you can make your hair look green, but his hair is currently not green as of date of him being anti. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to be a part of Splash Squad, and keep on splashing. Goodbye.